Oh, that is cold! Oh my god! Freezing cold, you guys.
I feel like a leaf.
I would have been closer with my big glass.
Joey's peeing through there.
Oh, really? Oh, now that's cold. Oh,
You got him more than I did.
yeah. That is really cold. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Getting deeper and deeper. I heard Macario, that's what I heard. ¿No? Okay guys, so let's talk about Disney. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed my time there. I went without my kids and I just went with my friend and we did an adult Disney. It was so much fun because you don't have to worry about the kids, you don't have to worry about none of that stuff. And I just loved it. I enjoyed it. Every day was different. We just went with the flow. We didn't have an agenda. We just went with it. And so I enjoyed it. I hope you guys like all these series that I brought to the to this channel and all this stuff. I did it a little bit different. I didn't talk as much as I usually talk. Just because I was in the moment. I wanted to enjoy it. I wanted to just be there present instead of just talking all the time. So I'm happy that I was able to experience that, and me and my friend just had a blast, so which I loved it. And yes, there is a lot of walking, so be prepared if you go to Disney World. There is a lot of walking. We only did the 3 parks. We didn't do 4 parks. We only did 3. The only one that we were missing was the Magic Kingdom that we did not get to do. But we did do Hollywood Studios. We did Animal Kingdom, and we did which one was the other one? Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, and oh my goodness, I can't remember which other one we did. And we did, I know, 2 water parks, which was the Blizzard and then Typhoon one. Oh my goodness, I cannot. Oh, and Epcot, of course. How can I forget Epcot? That was amazing. Epcot, we had a blast because we did drink, and you guys could tell other videos that we had a little too much fun, but it was so worth it. I mean, if you have a chance to do around the world and taste these different types of drinks, do it. It was an amazing experience. It is expensive, I'm not gonna lie. We did some birthday shots for him because it was my friend's birthday. So we did a birthday shots, and they were not cheap, you guys. I was looking at the menu and they were all like, I think the cheapest one was like $22 or $23 for a shot, and it was a cheap kind of tequila, which was crazy. And like the highest one that I saw was like almost, I think it was like $100 a shot. So I was very impressed and very like, oh my goodness, that's really expensive for tequila. But Disney does bring their own tequilas from Mexico, so which is pretty cool that nowhere else you can get them. You can only get them at Disney. So that was pretty cool to know and learn about that. So that was pretty cool. But other than that, all the other drinks were amazing. We did skip United States because, I mean, we're here in the States. Why are we gonna get something that we can get here way cheaper outside? So we didn't do United States, but we did all the other countries. So that was a lot of fun. What else? I think that was it. But I hope, like I said, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next adventures that I come up with. There will be a lot more coming up, and I hope you guys like this channel. I mean, I'm just bringing a little bit of everything of my life, my flight attendant life, just everything, just a little bit of everything. And I hope you guys are liking it. Comment on there if you want to see something specific, or you want to learn a little bit more of something. I'll figure it out and I'll see what I can do. But I will see you guys next time. Okay, bye.